Did you know that Costa Rica is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world? With over 500,000 species of plants and animals, this small country is a paradise for nature lovers. Costa Rica also has a strong commitment to conservation, with over 25% of its land being protected areas and national parks. This beautiful country is also known for its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and active volcanoes. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, Costa Rica has something for everyone. Come and experience the natural wonders of this incredible destination.